we will draw the energy level diagram for nitrogen molecule. Again the same. Nitrogen molecule is made up of 2 nitrogen atoms. Atomic number of each nitrogen is 7. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Beta, when you saw this in your book, the energy level diagram for 1s2 is not given. In place of 1s in book author write k dash, but you will draw the diagram. Beta, this one. Now draw the energy level diagram for nitrogen molecule. First of all, nitrogen atom. Energy. This is also nitrogen atom. Now, when 2 nitrogen atoms combine together to give nitrogen molecule. First of all, you all will remember, all the atomic orbital will be written on same level. Now, first of all, electron enter in 1s orbital. In each case, 1s orbital consists of 2 electrons. When 2 atomic orbital intermix or combine or overlap, 2 new orbitals are formed. One with lower energy, one with higher energy. That is sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. Sigma 1s is bonding molecular orbital, and when you represent star, anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now we have 4 electrons, 2 electrons enter in lower level, then remaining electron enter in higher level. Now electron of nitrogen atom present in 2s orbital. Beta, from here and here, they are in equal level. They are in linear line and equal level. 2 electrons. In the same way, 2 atomic orbital overlap, new 2 orbitals are formed. (2s2), again 2s2, 2 atomic orbital overlap or combine, 2 new orbitals are formed. One with lower energy, one with higher energy. S orbital combined with S orbital, sigma bond is formed. Bonding molecular orbital are sigma and sigma star. 2s orbital, so 2s orbital. Clear? Now again 4 electron, 2 in sigma 1s, sigma 2s, 2 in sigma 2 star 2s. This one. Now electron present in p orbital, and p consists of 3 suborbitals, px, py, pz. Each nitrogen have 3 electrons in p orbital. According to Ohm's rule, each orbital is half filled. 2p3. Now 6 atomic orbitals intermix with each other. 6 molecular orbital are formed. 3 are bonding, 3 are non-bonding. Beta, 3 are bonding, 3 are non-bonding. Now you will remember or learn the concept like this. Beta, 2 out of 3 molecular orbital, 2 are in same level, 1 is in higher or lower level. Same for antibonding molecular orbital. In case of nitrogen, beta, except oxygen, fluorine and neon, except these, all other molecules have same. two orbital with lower energy, one with slightly higher energy. Same here. The molecular orbital formed at same level is pi to px, pi to py, and with slightly higher individual, that is sigma to pz. Pz forms sigma bond. Same here. Antibonding pi star to px, pi star to py, sigma star to pz. Now we have 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This remain empty. Better this remain empty. Now electronic configuration of molecule of nitrogen molecule. Better electronic configuration of nitrogen molecule carry 1 mark in your exam. So be careful. First of all, electron enter in sigma 1s, then sigma star 1s, 2, then sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, again 2, 2, then pi to px, pi to py, sigma to pz. If you want to write, you will write, otherwise skip because they don't have any electron. Better now energy. Least energy is sigma 1s, then sigma star 1s, then sigma 2s, then sigma star 2s. Sigma star 2 has less energy than pi to px, pi to py, but they both have same energy. Both are on same level means same energy. This is the electronic configuration carry 1 mark. So must remember to be right. Now bond order. Better now bond order. Bond order is calculated by using formula number of bonding electron minus number of anti-bonding electron. Better number of bonding electron that do not carry star 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Anti-bonding that carry star 2 to 4, nothing else. That is 6 by 2, it is 3. By Lewis structure, if you want to write the Lewis structure of nitrogen molecule, it is answer. Nitrogen combined by 3 bond, our bond order is 3. Now magnetic behavior. All electrons are paired, diamagnetic. If any one of the electron is unpaired, paramagnetic. Better paired electron, again paired and paired. Then empty. All electrons are paired. Then it is also diamagnetic. Better you will practice hydrogen, helium, nitrogen, lithium molecule, beryllium molecule, boron molecule, but oxygen, nitrogen and fluorine, oxygen, fluorine and neon note, because they will understand the concept of these molecules in our next video. Thank you.